Goth in a washer dryer. You in yet? No?
This text before I go in.
Good.
I'm hungry. Can I have something to eat, please?
Oh, one sec.
You have to come past the TV, please, so you can.
Yeah.
Make some warm, yeah. How much is this jug going to fit in my mouth? What will do?
I don't know, the whole thing. She's choking inside. She's gone mad. She can't swallow it. That's nasty. Look at that. Move your head.
Kick it away!
Oh.
Kick it away! Before my hair goes on it.
Oh my goodness, go so get killed. Look what you've done to my
That old woman pisses herself.
Oh.
I got chocolate.
Are you quite okay?
You done yet?
Do you seriously want me to... Yeah.
You done yet?